I'm here at Franklin Park looking for some math around town.
Watch the swings move back and forth. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Is the amount of time to complete the forward and backward motion the same or different for the two swings? Now, let's release the swings at the same time from the same place. What do you notice this time? The chain on one swing was shortened using zip ties. What do you notice this time? Is the shorter swing traveling faster or slower? A swing is a pendulum, and we've seen that changing the pendulum's length changes its speed. Does changing the weight on the swing matter? Here's an experiment to try the next time you go to the park. Choose two swings that have the same chain length. Then, swing side by side with a friend or parent at exactly the same rate. Once you're synchronized, stop pumping your legs. Does it matter who weighs more, or do you stay together?
Look around you. Math is everywhere.